Hello dear students, welcome to today's class on English grammar. Today we will be talking about determiners. After going through this video, you will be able to describe determiners, list the classes of determiners and differentiate determiners from other words like pronouns. Okay? So here is a picture, you look at it and answer this question. Which two words in the picture are very small? You look at it. You can see the first two words in the picture are very small. In this sentence, the first two words in the picture is the noun phrase. In this noun phrase, you can easily say which word is the head word or head noun. As we discussed about the words, the word birds is head noun. Okay? And you can see some words after the head noun, some words before the head noun. Okay? The words follow the head noun in the picture. This is called post determiners, and before the head noun you see the first two. This is called pre-modifiers, and pre-modifiers are called determiners. You can see here determiners are the first two. Okay? These are called determiners. In other words, determiners are the words like a, an, the, some, this, that, these, those, each, every, many, a few, etc. But a very important thing you have to remember that determiners are used at the beginning of the noun phrase. Adjectives are also used before the head noun. For example, the first two small birds. Here, the word small is adjective, and it also comes before the head noun birds. But here the word small is not a determiner. This is an adjective. Okay? So we can conclude that words which come before the head noun are determiners, but adjectives are not determiners. Let's now discuss the classes of determiners. There are 6 classes of determiners in English. They are as follows. Number 1, article a, an, the. Demonstratives, this, that, these, those. Distributives, each, every, either, neither. Possessive, mine, your, his, her, their, and noun plus apostrophe s. For example, Rams, Gopals. Next, quantifiers, some, any, many, few, of few, little, all little. And finally, WH determiners like whose, which, what. We will discuss about each class in details. Okay? Before that, you should know the peculiarity of determiners. There are some determiners which are used before singular nouns, not before plural nouns. On the other hand, there are some there are some determiners which are used before the plural nouns, not before singular nouns. Moreover, there are determiners which are used both before singular noun and plural noun. Let's have some examples. You see, these boys, not these boys. Some people, some water. Here you see some people, people plural noun, and some determiner used with plural noun, and some water, here water uncountable noun which is treated as singular, and we use determiner some with it. Okay. Another fact about determiners is that some classes of determiners are not used side by side. In other words, they do not go together. For example, articles, demonstratives and possessives are not put together. You see the example, the boy, you cannot say this boy, incorrect. You can say the pen, but you cannot say this pen. You can say my pen, you cannot say my pen. Okay? Apart from this, you must know the difference between determiners and other words like pronouns. You look at the examples. This is a new pen. This pen is new. In the first sentence, this never precedes any noun. That's why this is a pronoun. In the second sentence, this pen, here the word pen is the noun and it precedes the word this or determiner this. So here this, the word this is determiner. Okay? In this video, we discussed about determiners, its classes, and how determiners are different from other words like adjectives and pronouns. Hope this lesson is easy, joyful. You all like this.